Let's take a quick look at what's included in the IQLung kit. Everything you need for a successful and safe blood draw all in one convenient package. You'll find the instructions for use and the test request form. The kit includes a FedEx clinical pack for easy trackable shipping to the lab. For the blood draw itself, you'll find a lavender top T DTA tube, 2 tan BCT tubes, 1 red RNA tube, a 21-gauge butterfly needle, 1 single-use pipette, 1 biodesics collection device, a tourniquet, an alcohol swab, gauze, and a bandage. All the essentials to ensure a safe and hygienic collection. After collection, absorbent sleeves with a secure pocket, a plastic bio bag, 2 gel packs, and a foil pouch and a kit box. Be sure to follow the included packaging instructions carefully. Each kit contains printed instructions, and a training video is available to guide you through the process step by step.